Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the recently deleted option not showing on Instagram. So if you don't see your recently deleted option on your Instagram, so you have to force stop and force update your Instagram. So first of all, go for your settings here and apps and notification. Go for Instagram. You have to force stop it, clear your cache, and see if your Instagram is working or not, or your recently deleted option appears or not. If you can't see, still if you can't see that recently deleted things, then you have to just uninstall your Instagram from your device and reinstall it. After that, you can go for your Instagram and go for your profile, three-line option, your activity, and go for a recent deleted, and you can see all of your recently deleted option or posts here. So that's it, that's the process. This is how you can get your recently deleted posts. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.